Premier from i2i Technologies provides people and organizations with professional expertise and confidence while helping their live, virtual, and hybrid events run smoothly. It's easily customizable for a variety of activities. Services and support can be delivered before, during, or after your event. In this video, you will learn how important planning is for the success of your virtual or hybrid event. Planning an event can be overwhelming. With so many moving pieces, it's easy to lose sight of the goals of your event. That's where Premier from i2i Technologies comes in. We work with you to build a timeline of tasks and advise on how event components connect to one another. Our team takes what you want to do and develops a plan for how to best make it happen. We offer planning and work sessions with topic-focused, actionable agendas and timelines. Collaborative file sharing ensures everyone is on the same page. We can also provide guidance on event themes, call for proposals, session selection, and coordination of various types of activities, from registration to recruitment of sponsors and managing volunteers. Premier can help you streamline expectations and outcomes from various stakeholders while creating models and templates for replication. Our goal is to make sure your event runs smoothly before, during, and after. With our support, you can be confident that your event will be a success. Don't let the challenges of planning an event get in the way of your goals. Premier from i2i Technologies can help you create successful virtual or hybrid events. Please visit i2itech.com/virtual to learn more.